Hey y'all, I got another Twilight Garden wax delivery. As you guys can tell, they are my favorite. So they were having a sale and the sale was ridiculous. It was for 1 hour only, I believe, 40% off of everything. So I set my alarm and I ran to her site exactly when it was time. So let's see what we have here. I'll be back as soon as I get all this stuff. Oh, wait a minute. No, I won't. Let me just go ahead and go over what I have here on the top of the box. Some more seeds, as she sends out with all of her packages. I think this is my 6th little packet of seeds. Fortune teller, little fishy. This is her information. Screenshot it so you can contact her when you need your wax, because I'm telling you, her stuff is amazing. This is how to care for your wax, how to use your wax, blase, blase. And here is a card. Whose name is that? It is mine. I'll be back as soon as I open it. As per the norm, it is her beautiful logo card, and it's thanking me for my order, blase, blase, and inside of there was also my invoice. So, lovely packaging as usual. Look at all the goodies in there. I will be back. All right, so here's all my stuff. First, I had to order this. Pardon my nails. I had too many classes. Paint takes the nail polish off. But anyway, Christmas Town. I had to order this. She had sent me one of these before as a gift, and I demoed it. And I had to order again because it's all gone. And I love the scent. So now it's just for me. I don't even have to demo it unless I want. I might actually still, because it's still so cute. That is gorgeous. And then this one I opened up because I didn't realize it was this big. And I was like, is this the right one? Look how pretty this thing was. I really thought it would be like this size. Look how big and pretty it is. I guess I didn't pay attention to the size, but look at that. And it's one of these, what's it called? It's one of these clamshells. Look at it. I don't know how sad I am about having to break it apart just to use it, but that's what happens with a clamshell. So, oh, look at all the sparkliness in there. All right, then we have a Christmas flannel. I don't know if I've had this one before. Some of these things that I ordered, I had them before, but it was a sale, like a serious sale, like the best sale that anyone has had for anything that I bought during the, what was it, Cyber Monday, or was it, I think it was Thanksgiving. These things right here, let me tell you, this is the best smelling thing ever. Candied orange blossoms. I would have never ordered this, but on the last shipment, she sent me one of them for free, and I was in love with the scent, and I just used it the other day, and yeah, I had to reorder it because it was freaking awesome. This is another reorder, Autumn Trail, another one that I love the scent of. I loved it, and I will be using it again quickly. This one is Warm Vanilla Noel. I have a bunch of her trees, or I think I only have 2 left of this size, but none of them were in Warm Vanilla Noel, and I love Vanilla Noel. I really do. So I had to get this one just based on the fact that it's Vanilla Noel. I demoed these the other day. I had a little sample of this. It was in a small little container like this, but it's naughty or nice. So when you melt it, it's red for nice and black for naughty. The one I had before was actually red. I don't know if I'm going to be naughty or nice this time. Can't tell. She packages it too well. Ghost of Christmas Future. I've got to open this one up. Let me just say that this stuff was, I'm talking to Denise. This stuff was already on such great sale. There was no need for you to send anything free, and yet you did. I don't see anywhere on my invoice where there are 3 of these ghosts. And yet I have 3 of these ghosts. Am I on crack? I don't know. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. So I ordered the Ghost of Christmas Present, which I believe is this one. So freaking cute. And then I received these, and it's just so cute that she has them all named, and they're all different as well. The Ghost of Christmas Future. And then the Ghost of Christmas Past. This one has a little ooh mouth. This one has a smiley mouth. This one has a little pointed head and an open mouth. But how cute are all of these? Girl, you really didn't need, although all of this stuff will be demoed, as you know. But you're just too generous. Like, I keep looking back. I'm like, there's no way she would have sent me 2 extra ones when the stuff was on such sale. Like, ridiculous. The next one is Sweet Like Sugar. It's 2 pieces of candy, and it smells sweet like sugar. We have blackberry, bergamot, pear, florals, marshmallow woods, and vanilla. I can't wait to try that one. We have Northern Lights. I had to reorder it because it makes such a pretty melt when you're melting it. But I used the whole tart, and because of that, a lot of the show was hidden behind the tart because it's a big tart. So I'm going to have to cut it in half this time, so when I do the demo, you guys can see the full beautiful show. All right, what else do I have here? Oh My Garland. This thing, did I order this? This thing is spectacular. Yes, I did order, and it had a Christmas tree on it. That's how come I didn't recognize it. The image that was online was a Christmas tree. It is spectacular. Look at that. Golden iridescentness. It is gorgeous. Oh, I love it so much. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. And then I have some samples. We have Cozy Cashmere and Cedar. It's just a simple purple. We have White Woods, Simple Green. Oh, I have to smell that again. Oh my gosh, that smells nice. And then we have, oh, Jamel Rose. Rose Jam is my favorite, and I was sad that I didn't see any on her site when I went to, I guess she had sold out of what she had. And when I went to place this order, there was no Rose Jam on there, and I was sad. But then we have a, oh, how cute is that? Look at that. So shimmery. Cozy by the Fire. And a Just Sleep. I assume this is like a lavender type deal. Don't know. So let's look at what I got over again. We have the magnificent, I'm telling you, I got a steal with that 40% off. I mean, 40% off. Who did 40% off? Nobody but her. Balsam Fir. And then is the tree. And then the truck is orange, cranberry, cinnamon, clove, evergreen, and pine cones. We had this magnificent, see, this is why she's my favorite. Like, this is spectacular. Like, for real. Cozy Christmas, orange, currant, citrus, fir, eucalyptus, juniper, bay leaf, clove, cedar, leaf, pine, greenswood, amber, vanilla. Let me tell you another thing. I don't always, if I don't reorder from a company, they should take the hint, and maybe they should be proactive and say, why didn't you reorder from me? Because if I don't reorder, there's a reason. Either the value wasn't there, the throw was off, or wasn't there, or the scents just, they weren't mixed in a way that I like those scents. And scents are subjective. So, but if you're a company and you're selling wax melts or bath bombs, and someone does not reorder, but you see them reordering from other companies, The smart move would be for you to contact that person and say, is there a reason you haven't ordered from me? Not that you're not pressing me, but you're asking for feedback. Why have you not ordered from? Might be that I just forgot to reorder from you. Most of the time, if I don't reorder from you, there's a reason. And so just a little tip there. All right, we have Christmas flannel, and I continue to reorder from this girl, so you know they're good. For me anyway. A cozy blend of fresh air, cozy flannel, lemon peel, honeysuckle, violet greens, vanilla bean, white musk, blonde woods. Tell you the truth, I'm a business owner, and if I don't hear back from someone, I contact them to find out why. And you know, maybe I don't like the feedback that they give me. Maybe it's not the best feedback, but customers need to be able to provide feedback, and you, in order to make your business better, should be able to take feedback. A lot of times it's not negative in a way that is mean. It's just constructive. I know that there's a company out there that I haven't ordered from again, and it's because their pricing for their particular size of wax melts and their was off, like horrible, and then the throw was barely existent. And if they had contacted me afterwards, they'd know why, and maybe they'd be able to work a little differently with their stuff. Anyway, so warm vanilla Noel is a sweet blend of vanilla, butter, cream, caramel, chocolate, musk, and sugar. I never smell any chocolate in a warm vanilla Noel. So I think this is actually a smaller tree than the other ones, actually. It's cute. We have the Autumn Trail, autumnal blend of woodsy notes, floral notes, patchouli, balsam, clove, berry, sage, cedar, pine, aspen. I don't know why every time I see cedar, I want to say cheddar. We have the freaking, oh my garland. This thing looks like jewelry. It is so beautiful. And that is scented in citrus, pine, fir, berries, clove, cinnamon, apple, raspberry, vanilla, and winter. We have Northern Lights, Palo Santo, silver, birch, vetiver, marshmallow, fireside. Again, beautiful. We have Naughty or Nice, scented in plums, cherries, orange, strawberry, cloves, cinnamon, pepper, sandalwood, and eucalyptus. We have all these beautiful freaking, they're so cute. Ghost of Christmas Present, scented in Christmas trees, apple cider, cinnamon, sugar cookies, orange peels, and clove. We have the Ghost of Christmas Pass, which is yet another scent. Citrus, pine, spicy clove, cinnamon, cedarwood, caramel musk. This one is a fresh blend of Christmas trees, pine cones, woods, clementine, ozone, vetiver, and sandalwood. Maybe her and I just have the same taste in scents. Sweet Like Sugar, a sweet blend of blackberry, bergamot, pear, florals, marshmallow, woods, and vanilla. Then the amazing, I hope I didn't miss anything. I don't think I did. The amazing Candied Orange Blossoms, bright blend of fresh orange blossoms, sticky cotton candy, and tonka bean. I'm telling you, this is just the best. And then we have the ones that don't have the scent profiles on them. There are samples. Cozy by the Fire, which is freaking cute. We have Just Sleep, which is purple, and I assume because it's purple and it's sleep, it's lavender. We have White Woods, Cozy Cashmere and Cedar, Cheddar, that would smell nasty. And Jam and Rose, which smells like rose jam. I can tell you what that I love this scent. All right, guys, that's it from Twilight Garden Wax. I got them all right. I think I did. And I will talk to you guys on the next one. I'm telling you, if you have not ordered from this company, do yourselves a big favor and get you some. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. The throw is amazing. The freaking designs are amazing. The stuff is so pretty that I hardly ever want to throw it into my warmer and just melt away the beauty. It lasts forever. Sometimes I'll have a melt in my warmer for, 2 days, and it's just worth every penny. The value is amazing as far as what you pay for them as well. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot the Pink Dream. All the way from the beginning, I forgot this one. I don't know why I was just sitting there in the corner. So Pink Dream is sweet pink sugar, soft and fluffy cotton candy, and sweet and smoky vanilla. I knew I was missing one. I kept saying, I don't want to miss one. It was just sitting there minding its own business. All right, guys, that's it. I will talk to you guys on the next one.